Hey guys, my name is John Davies and welcome to this lesson on applying the 10-stroke roll to the drum kit. So guys, if you're not familiar with the 10-stroke roll, I suggest you check out my video lesson linked in the description below. So exercise number 1 is a simple fill idea. It's a whole bar fill and it's made up of 8th notes and 16th notes. It's going to look like this. Right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, left. Okay, exercise number 2, we are in 6/8 time signature. This is a fill idea. The concept is accenting on toms. We're in 8th notes and 16th notes. Let's check out what this looks like. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Hey guys, if you're liking the video so far, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, exercise number 3 is a fill idea. We are in triplets, we are doing accents on cymbals, and all of the diddles are now being played on the snare drum. The first bar is going to involve playing a single stroke roll primer, and the second bar we're going to fill it in with a 10-stroke roll. And the groove that we're going to play alongside this is just a basic swing pattern. Let's hear what that sounds like nice and slow. Exercise number 4, we are in 12/8 time signature, and the idea here is that we're just going to apply the 10-stroke roll onto the hi-hat to just add a little bit of a groove embellishment. Okay, so exercise number 5, we're going to get funky. So the idea is we're going to put our right hand on the hi-hat, we're going to put our left hand on the snare drum. We are in 4/4 time signature. Now I'm going to warn you, this is a slightly more advanced exercise. We're going to play the 10-stroke roll in 2 ways. The first way, we're going to start it on beat 1 and it's going to finish on the E of 2. And then the second way, we're going to start it on the and of 1 and it's going to finish on the R of 2. And there we have it, guys. There's 5 ways in which we can play the 10-stroke roll on the drum kit. I really hope you've enjoyed the lesson. If you had, just a reminder, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next lesson. Cheers.